How to fix we have disabled your account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar over here and search for Instagram disabled account. Now, as you do that, you can see the very first option of disabled Instagram account. So just tap on it and it will take you to the Instagram Help Center. So here you can simply see the different options. So you can see why your account has been disabled and so on. Now, just tap on the option of was this helpful or no. So if you tap on no, then you'll be able to just mention your problem in this tell us more box. So just tap on the box and then mention whatever issue you have had and your username, attach your username, your ID and everything, and then just tap on submit, and the team of Instagram will be making in contact with you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.